welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to build OKR dashboards in Notion. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you gotta do is simply tap open your Notion application or website. Once you're in your Notion, you need to create a main OKRs database and separate objectives and key results. You need to now link these databases using the relation properties and then add properties like status, owner, and progress percentage to track goals. Finally, you can create different dashboard views to visualize progress by filtering and grouping data by quarter, owner, or status. So first of all, you need to set up the main database. You need to create the main database, name it OKRs, and add toggle block called master databases. Now you need to link the database and add formulas. After this, you need to create a view for your dashboard. And once this is done, you are all set. So this is how you can build OKR dashboards in Notion. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.